Hey guys, what's up? What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel again. And I hope you all are doing good. So today is a very special day for me. I mean, yesterday I have received my drone, and today I'm going to unboxing. I mean, it's gonna be unboxing video, but I'm gonna call it reopen the package because yesterday I have already opened the package, and I'm gonna show you each and everything what all that thing is inside. So this video is for you guys, those of you who are interested in drones and all, which drone I have got it. So I'm gonna show you everything. So for that I'll have to go up on terrace because I don't have proper lights here. So I'm gonna show you up there, and probably I'm gonna give it a try also. I'm also learning. I'm not very expert in flying and all, because it's very risky and it's like a baby for me, so I don't want to crash anywhere. Then if you guys have any questions regarding drones where I have purchased, you guys contact me on Instagram. When it comes to drone, lot of restrictions. Even I'm not gonna fly drones so much in the terrace because I don't want to end up in jail. So a lot of things are there. So if you guys want to know, contact me on Instagram or mention in the comments. I will let you know about the price and where I have got it. It's a very genuine guy, trust me. I'm like one of the best service I have ever received. First I opened the package, everything was okay, then I had to do the payment. This is what I was looking for, so I'm really happy about it guys. And let's go. I'm gonna show you everything, and I hope I can fly a little bit at least, you know. Chalo guys, see you, bye.
Gonna start going way on.
Yeah, round by myself, be fine by myself.
Alright guys, let's open then. Here we are. As I have already told you that it's open before, I'm just gonna show you how it was before. So these are the accessories. Let's open this first. We'll keep it here. It's a beautiful leather box. I liked it. So you guys will not see the excitement that I have like when I see it for the first time. So now I'm reopening it again. So you know, I'm just gonna show you the basic things, how it all came, what's inside the bag. Let's open. All right. It's amazing. And this thing was open before anyways. I mean, so this is the controller we have, DJI Air 2S controller. You have some joysticks here, you have to remove it, you have to put it all there. You have some mode, normal, cinematic, sport mode. Then here you put the phone, here you have iPhone cable, and you'll get it Android cable also. Here it is. There's a charging cable actually, not the Android one, somewhere inside. And here is the beauty guys. See, this is so sick, man. This is so good. Alright, that's how you open it. This one comes down from here. Again you do it forward, downward, then backward, right? Alright, then I'm gonna keep this down here for a while. So this is the battery. See, this is how you remove it. Press these two buttons, and this is how you pull it. Click sound. Right. Then we have some spare batteries. So I have bought the Flymo combo. That means it comes 1, 2. Not the one. Here you go. So each battery, I mean, you can fly for around 30 minutes, so you need to have at least 3-4 batteries, which is very convenient for me. So 1, 2 and 3 batteries. All right, what do we have next? This is where you charge a battery. 1, 2, 3. You'll be having the cables from somewhere, which I don't know. Yeah, you plug it there, then you connect all this. I know all this because I have opened it yesterday, right? Here you get let me open this. So this is called ND filters. Basically it has the filters with the screen. So I'm not pro in all this thing. I have to learn all these things, then only I can use. So before you fly the drone, you have to remove this. How you remove? like this. See, this is a sensor, 1 inch, 20 megapixel camera, and where you can remove all this and you can put it all back. So those things I'm not gonna do it now. Here's the main drone. These are the propellers you get, the wings extra. I have opened 4 before, I'm not gonna open this. And this is the Android, right? This is where you put this one here. Instead of, if you have an Android phone, then you can use this. Instead, you have to remove this. You can plug in this, put your Android phone, right? Then we have, what else we have? Yeah, the propellers. I kept it here, I think. Let me see. These are the propellers that I have already opened it. Here comes the very important part. Okay, and yeah, right, this is again the charging cables and all, USB. Not that important it is. So see, here's the important point, guys. You can see you have to remove this first. You can't just fix it wherever you want it. So this Air2S has specific instructions, like you have to find the orange. Is it orange, right? This one. So this is orange. This both orange has to be match. Now how you fix it? Wait, I'm doing it ulta. Orange has a face, orange. Then let me find another orange, like this. And it do this. Let me close this first. Don't go for the wing color. This one you have to look for the black. See, this is black, no color on it. This has an orange. So look for the black, then you do the black. Then you do the black magic. Here you twist and turn. Alright, your drone is ready to go. You take out your iPhone, use the DJI Fly app, and you can fly. Okay, in a while I'm gonna show you how you can fly here. Okay, before I'm gonna fly, I'm gonna tell you, when it comes to flying a drone, we have a lot of restrictions in India. So the place also where I'm staying right now, it also has a restrictions. So I'll be not able to fly more, but I'll probably give a demo, at least probably one footage. Let's go.